Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the immediate job notifications, I kept my Telegram channel link in the description box of this video. So you may join in that group. And coming to the present video, here we are going to see the work from home jobs. So it was published in the National Career Service website. And here the online tutor jobs are there. Okay, the 200 vacancies are there and the eligibility is any degree. So it is a wonderful opportunity to the candidates who wants to earn by sitting in their home, okay, by going through the online teaching. Okay, so we will see the details regarding this one. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. So and I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so here it is the official website of the National Career Service, the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video. And after entering into this website, here click on this work from home or online trainings. Then you will be open this one, participate from home, and then click on this one, work from home jobs. Then you will be directed to the web page, so which is going to show the jobs which are present under the work from home. And you can check down, okay, you can just scroll down here. So online maths tutor, and the company is Ono Labs Private Limited, and here the online English tutor, okay, the Ono Labs Private Limited. And if you want to check the details and all, here the click on this apply button, then you will be directed to the details regarding this job. The number of openings are 100 and it is posted on 18th December 2020. The company name and the organization, the functional area is education, job title is online maths tutor, sector is education, and the functional role is teacher. Job description, so people with a very strong maths proficiency for grades 1 to 6, bachelor's or master's degree for a good reputed college or university, good laptop or desktop, 8 GB RAM or higher, high quality webcam, HD or 1080p, inbuilt or external, stable internet with speed 5 Mbps, power backup for internet, and classrooms as centers of excellent teaching and creative learning. So monitor and review the progress of the students and identify gaps and provide inputs to the students based on their performance. So excellent communicator, passion to engage the students, and energetic and lively, a very good understanding of maths concept. It is a job description. The minimum qualification required is a graduate, and the job location is all over the India. Nature of the job is full-time and the work from home. The last date to apply is 25th February 2020. The gender preferences is a female, and the key skills, teaching maths or communication skills. The number of openings are the 100. Okay. So if you want to apply to this one, then click on the apply button here. Then first of all, you have to log in here in the NCS website. After registering, okay, click on this new user, and then after filling up all the details, then you will be provided with the username and the password, and then enter and then click on the sign in. Then you can apply to that job. Okay, so whatever the contact details you are providing here, so based upon that one, you are going to, you may get the call from this company. And next one is the online English. Okay, so it is, and here also the number of openings are 100 are there. So this is the same company, and the minimum qualification required is a graduate. The job description, the eligibility required is bachelor's or master's degree, preferably BA or B.Ed, good laptop or desktop, and high quality webcam, stable internet connection. So the same thing, whatever the job description mentioned there for the online maths tutor, the same description also mentioned here for the online English tutor also. and the experience 1 to 4. The job location is all over the India, and the job nature of job is full-time or work from home. The last date is 25th February 2021, and available to join within 1 day. The gender preference is female. Okay, ex-service men also preferred, and key skills teaching, communication skills, tutor English. The number of openings are 100. And here also the same thing. First you have to register with the NCS website, and then log in with the username and password, and then you can apply for these jobs. Okay, so it is a wonderful opportunity to the candidates to earn simply by sitting in the home and doing the online classes. Okay, so apply to this one. Hope that both these two opportunities will help you a lot. Okay, so to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, subscribe the channel. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions, and all the best guys. Thank you very much.